In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Apple Pay in Stripe. 5 minutes. We'll move quickly, but I'll explain each step so you know exactly what to expect. To start, open your browser and go to stripe.com. This is where you'll access your dashboard and make the change. Once the page loads, click Sign In to open the login screen, type in the email and password associated with your Stripe account, then select Sign In. For most accounts, Stripe will ask for a verification code as part of two-factor authentication. Enter the code you received to confirm it's you. If you use an authenticator app, just grab the current code and enter it. Keep these codes private and don't share them. After you're signed in, you'll land on the dashboard home. If you manage more than one account or workspace, make sure you're in the correct one before continuing. From here, look for Settings. Depending on your layout, you'll find it in the left sidebar or near the top right of the dashboard. Click it to open all configuration options. Inside Settings, find the Product Settings section. This is where payment features and checkout options live. Select Payments to open the Payment Configuration area, then head to the Payment Methods tab. This tab controls which payment methods appear to your customers in Stripe-hosted experiences like checkout and payment links, and in your custom integration if you've enabled them there. Scroll through the list until you see Apple Pay. When you find it, toggle it on. Stripe will handle the configuration on the back end so that Apple Pay can appear for eligible customers on supported devices. If a confirmation message appears, accept it to finish enabling. That's it. The method is now active in your account. A couple of quick tips to make sure everything works as expected. Apple Pay will only show to customers using compatible devices and browsers, typically Safari on Apple devices. If you're testing, make sure you're viewing a Stripe checkout session or payment link from a supported device so you can see the Apple Pay button appear. Also, remember that features you enable in test mode are separate from live mode. If you want Apple Pay available to real customers, switch to live mode and repeat the same toggle. Once enabled, Apple Pay can help your customers check out faster with a single tap, which often improves conversion. You can return to the same payment method screen anytime to review availability or turn it off. That's the full process. You've signed in, navigated to settings, opened payments, found payment methods, located Apple Pay, and turned it on. Thanks for watching and happy selling.